To remove a graphics card or other expansion card if present in the unit, first remove the side cover. Remove the Torx 15 screw, securing the expansion card's retaining bracket to the chassis. Lift the latch for the expansion card's retaining bracket and swing the bracket out. If removing a graphics card from the PCI x16 slot, press on the latch for the PCI x16 slot on the motherboard. Carefully pull out the expansion card from the unit. To replace an expansion card, carefully align and push the card into its slot on the motherboard until it is fully seated. Rotate the expansion card's retaining bracket back into place to secure the card. Secure the retaining bracket to the chassis with its Torx 15 screw.